I just want to share a dream I had, and I feel so blessed because this is yet another answered prayer. I always pray to God, going to bed and right after I wake up. Last night before I slept, I prayed, and my heart's deepest desire was to speak to the Lord in my dream. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened. I didn't get to speak directly to him, but I saw a golden chair. The whole scene in my dream was a bit blurry, but the moment I caught sight of that golden chair, my body moved toward it on its own. I couldn't see anyone clearly yet, but I knew for certain that Lord was there. When I reached the chair, I embraced the spirit that was present there, until slowly the form of Jesus Christ became visible to me. I didn't see his entire physical body, but Jesus hugged me back. I held him close, and just like before, I felt such deep rest and perfect peace in that moment. I said to him, Father, my God, I love you so much. That's all I clearly remember. It was such a short experience, but the Lord reminded me so deeply that He remains exactly the same yesterday, today, and forever. He is a faithful and loving God. He will never forsake us as long as we seek Him and continue to love Him.